Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I'm going to show you on how you can add Venmo card to Apple Pay and Google Pay. So the first step that you have to do is to launch the Apple Wallet. This is for the iOS users, or Google Pay, which is the Google Wallet. This is for the Android ones on your device. And next to that is to tap on the plus or the add card button in the Wallet app to start adding a new payment method. Next is manually enter your Venmo debit card number, the expiration date, and the CVV. Or you can just also scan the card using the camera. Next is you will receive a verification code via SMS or Venmo app notification. So what you're gonna do is just enter this code to verify your card. And lastly is once verified, your Venmo card is ready, so you can use your phone at contactless payment terminals by holding it near the reader. So that's pretty much it. It's very quick and easy. I hope you find this video helpful. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!